Hello friends, welcome back to Minister Stock channel. So there is a one breaking news in the Yes Bank. So today, and this news was published around 3 o'clock today, and this I am referring to Economic Times paper, and definitely this credit goes to the Economic Times, where the Economic Times the editor interacted with the MD and CEO of Yes Bank, and there he disclosed like Prashant Kumar addresses buzz on raising capital, bad loans and acquisition plans. So there are 3 questions actually, so we'll go through that quickly and we'll understand what is that all about, and there are 3 points one by one we can go here. So if you look at here, so this is the first question. So what they asked here is the first question. So this is what the question: there is a market improvement in your asset quality at the gross level and even at the net level. So NPAs have come down both sequentially and on year basis. Are you comfortable with your asset quality? What do you see the bad loans getting transferred? Have you fully provided for the concerns going forward, and will credit cost be negligible going forward? So this is the question, and what Prashant Kumar gives answer here is, or his explanation is, no, absolutely we are having a coverage of 80% on our loan side, which are adequately provided. So he is telling ki there is a coverage. So you can see I am referring to this one. So he is telling ki there is a 80% on our loan side and which are adequately provided, and we have seen the recoveries which in financial year 21 as well as financial year 22. So out of those recoveries, there was a positive effect on our P&L to the extent of 40%, and the recovery that shows that we have been able to recover more than the provisions which we have made on those loans, and this journey will continue, and we are seeing a very good traction. Like last time, we are in the process of forming an ARC structure. Yes, there is a news in the market, there is a buzz about the asset reconstruction, and we are quite hopeful that we would be able to do it within this quarter, and then the entire bad loans of the bank would be transferred in a very transparent manner to this ARC. So this is clear cut clarification he has given about the ARC, because we can see there are many YouTubers and many media news are they are discussing about the ARC, and Yes Bank is coming with ARC, but this is the clarification what today noon Prashant Kumar has given, current MD and CEO of the Yes Bank. So this is the first point, and let us see remaining 2 points. There is a second question here for Prashant Kumar was, so here is the question. This is the first: where do you see the NIM, that is net interest margin trajectory going forward? So do you expect that to translate into profitability and lead ROAs higher, return on asset higher in the financial year 23? What do you expect the trend to be over medium term? So for that he says like this is the clarification he has given. This year we have exited at ROA of 40 bps, that is basis points, and we are quite confident that we would be able to achieve ROA of 75 bps at least in the financial year 23. And if we sum up the recoveries happens as per the expectations, then we may be in the position to touch ROA of 1%, but definitely in medium term ROA of 1 or 1.5% is achievable for us, and we are saying this in terms of business growth and recoveries. So this bank, the bank is well poised to achieve that ROA. So this is the clarification about the NIM, that is net interest margin. And last one is the last question was, here is the last question: what is the overview on the board income, demography of the individuals that you are dispersing retail loans to, and how comfortable are you with the quality of the books? So here there is a different strategy actually, Yes Bank is coming up, like compared to the competitors in the market, like other banks. The Prashant Kumar told like the products that we are dispersing on the retail side are business loans, personal loans, vehicle loans, and also home loans. The home loan segment was missing, so earlier they were not doing this was missing, and now we are growing very well in that segment, in home loan segment. So overall on the retail side, our focus is always in terms of if we can lend more to the salaried, see this is the important person, to the salaried class, and where, see salaried class where the credit score are good, and that has also been reflected in our NPA numbers on the retail side and also the overdue book on the retail. So see guys, so this is one important point which we can look into that, because earlier the Rana Pratap was there and he gave loans to all SIC industry, corporate industries. So compared, if you look at the loan book, major loans like loans given to the corporates, and that to SIC industries he was given. But currently now Prashant Kumar is coming with new strategy, like every bank does this, all other competitors to the yes banks in the market, they are giving loans to the salaried salaried class or retailers, because they pay promptly whatever the loan they took. Yes, there will be a definitely bad loans, or there will be definitely defaults, but not like corporates. If you see the corporate defaults, again there is no introduction required for that, there is no commentary required on that, because thousands of crores of rupees defaulters, right? So if you can see the market corporate defaulters like Vijay Mallya is there, Nirav Modi is there, right? So these are the fraud people who took loans from such banks in thousands of crores of rupees, and even Anil Ambani is in that list also, right? Reliance. So these corporates, when defaults happens, that will be huge in thousands of crores. But when it compares to the retailers, when the bank is giving loan to the salaried class or retailers, definitely there will be a spike, or we can see there is a quick turnaround, because this retailers will pay the repayment their loans in promptly actually. And that is what the I can say the beauty of this retailer giving loan to the retailers and salaried class. So yes, now definitely now Prashant Kumar is applying that strategy and is coming with that strategy. So that's it guys today. So this was a breaking news, and clear cut clarification, and he had addressed all this buzz on this how the raising capital or bad loans or acquisition plans and everything about the Yes Bank by current MD and CEO Prashant Kumar. So thanks for watching. If you see if you find this video helpful or informative, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please do consider this Minister Stock channel for subscription. We'll see you again with any other good news or breaking news with any respective shares. Till then, keep tuning in and keep watching Minister Stock channel. Thank you so much for watching.